we are here in Waldsee, and we're looking at a couple different buildings. Primarily, we are interested in the roof again, the structure of the roof, or maybe the color of the roof. There's a quick, if we look over there in this direction, it's a smaller, much smaller building, but as you can see, has the same color, typical shingles that were used there. This has an impact. I imagine you can probably guess what the impact might be. Think of the sun, schönes Wetter, keine Wolken. Was wird passieren auf dem Dach? Or what will happen on the roof? Ein bisschen Deutsch ist immer gut. Think about which of those two roofs might be the warmest, the coolest. Yeah, but there is a third one that we can look at as well. Okay, here is a third building. Looks very different from what we have just seen at the other two buildings. When you look at the roof of that building, how different is it? Can you see that? Can you imagine what the difference is between those three different buildings? I see a lot of green colors, some with flowers, others more brown. So what does that mean in terms of keeping the building cool? I assume you can see what the difference is between these three buildings that we're looking at. One of them most likely has will give us a different measurement if we were to measure how warm that roof will get during the day. Yeah, you could simulate something in a small. You would build a small structure. Would use materials if you can, tiles if they're available. Otherwise, you could use maybe paper product or cardboard, and you would definitely have to coat it with a darker color. The darker color plays a key role, and that's what you have to figure out between the red colors, the red tiles, and the black tiles, and you would have to figure out which of these tiles keeps the building the coolest during the summer season.